What is up, YouTube? Today I'm gonna show you guys how to get a full bot lobby. Yeah, that is the full bot lobby. So the first thing you want to do, you're gonna have to be at the lobby. So once you're at the lobby, you're gonna have to go to your settings. You're gonna press the start, whether you're on a PS4 or an Xbox button. I believe it's the option button on the Xbox. We're gonna press the option button on the PS4. Then you're gonna go down right where you will see settings. Once you're in the settings, you're gonna go to the far right, way over here in the far right. So you're gonna have to use your R1 or your RB button. Alright, once you're here, you're gonna go down to where it says let me see, yeah, gameplay privacy. For allow cross-platform play, you're gonna select no. Change that to no. Then you're gonna go down to where it says hidden matchmaking delay. You can put this at a random number. Normally I would choose 5. Alright guys. Okay, for can you receive gift, this should be on. And also this should be friends invite. It should be at anyone. Alright guys. Yes. So after that, now we're gonna use triangle to apply the filters. Right? On the Xbox, I believe it's Y. For show season 11 the field, it should be an on. Alright guys, do not change that. Let it stay on. Alright guys. So after we have done this, we can now exit the settings. We're gonna exit the settings, and then that's it. You see that caution sign right here that says limited pool? That's where it will limit it out the bots. So yes guys, this is how you do it. So until next time, peace out.